In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Chrome extensions on Brave browser step by step so you can add the tools you need in just a few minutes. This is super useful if you want to use extensions like Grammarly, password managers, productivity tools, shopping assistants, or anything else from the Chrome Web Store inside Brave. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser tips and software guides. All right, let's get into it. First, open your Brave browser. Once Brave is open, you want to go directly to the official Chrome Web Store. The easiest way to do that is to type Chrome Web Store into the address bar and press Enter, or simply search for it on Google and click the official result. Make sure you're on the real Chrome Web Store website so you know you're installing the extension safely. After the Chrome Web Store loads, use the search bar in the top left corner to look for the extension you want. For example, if you're trying to install Grammarly, type Grammarly into the search bar and press Enter. You'll see a list of results related to your search. Take a moment to choose the correct extension from the results, then click on it to open the main overview page. On the extension page, you'll see details like what the extension does, user reviews, ratings, and permissions. This is a great place to quickly check that you've selected the right tool before installing it. Once you're ready, look to the top right corner of the page and click the blue Add to Brave button. On Google Chrome, this button usually says Add to Chrome, but in Brave, it will typically say Add to Brave. As soon as you click that button, a confirmation pop-up will appear at the top of your screen. This pop-up will show you the permissions the extension is requesting, such as access to websites, tabs, or browsing features. Read through those permissions carefully so you know what the extension will be allowed to do. If everything looks good, click Add Extension to confirm the download. Brave will now install the extension for you. In just a few seconds, it should be added to your browser and ready to use. Depending on the extension, you may see its icon appear in the toolbar near the top right of Brave. If you don't see it right away, you can click the extension's icon to manage it or pin it to your toolbar for easier access. And that's it. You've successfully installed a Chrome extension on Brave browser. From here, you can start using it just like you would in Chrome while still enjoying Brave's privacy-focused browsing experience. If you want, you can repeat the same steps anytime to install more extensions from the Chrome Web Store. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.